channel. Please share it with your near and dear. Now we are going to learn past perfect tense. Past perfect tense. Past or before some action in the past. Means now 7 p.m. it's now, okay, and this is 7 p.m. yesterday. Okay, but now, okay, this is future perfect. Okay, let me write here future perfect, subject plus will have plus V3, and this is present perfect, subject plus has or have plus V3, and this is past perfect, and here subject plus had plus V3. This is the structure. And now we are talking about, okay, past perfect structure is subject plus had plus V3. To make it clear to you, so comparatively I am going to teach you to make it learn. Right, we use this structure to talk about something happened before some time in the past, or before some action in the past. Okay, so for example, this is future, and before this future only something happened, and before this present only something happened, and before this past only something happened, and now before some time or before some action also I have given, no. So I want to take action also here. Time I have given, but action also I want to give you, and after that I'll give you example. Okay, all right. For example, action is my friend came to my house, and here my friend has just come to my house, and 7 p.m. tomorrow, no, my friend will come to my house, Okay, now let me explain this one. Here this structure is used to talk about something happened before some time in the past or before some action in the past. Okay, this is present, this is past, and this is future. Okay. For example, before now, before just now, if we have completed any work, we use present perfect. So for example, you see, just before now only, if I feel that I have completed some work, I can say in this way, I have completed my work. I have completed my work. I have completed V3 form. I have completed my work means here I have completed my work means before now 7 only, before now 7 p.m. only I have completed. Before now means present time is 7 p.m. Before this 7 p.m. only, as I have completed something, I can use I have completed my work. Otherwise, you see, I have completed my work before my friend has just come. Before my friend has come. I have completed my work before my friend has come. I can take a time or I can take such a action also here. And in the same way, if we have completed a work before now, we use present perfect. If we had completed a work before some time in the past or some action in the past, then we have to go for past perfect. So this is past. Before this past only means before 7 p.m. only, or before my friend came to my house only, I had completed some work. Before he came to my house or before 7 p.m. only yesterday, I had completed my work. I had completed my work by 7 p.m. yesterday. By 7 p.m. yesterday. I had completed my work by 7 p.m. yesterday. By means before. Okay, I had completed my work before 7 p.m. yesterday or by 7 p.m. yesterday. I can even say in this way, I had completed my work. I had completed my work. Before. So before this only. Before what? Some action. Before my friend came to my house. Before my friend came to my house only, I had completed my work. Before 7 p.m. only, I had completed my work. So we are taking some past time or past action, and before that time only or before that action only, if we want to say that something had been completed, then we have to use past perfect in this way. If we want to talk about something which is happened just before now, we have to use present perfect, subject plus has or have plus V3. This is present, and before this present only we have completed some work. That's why I have completed my work. Okay. And if we talk about future, if we expect, for example, if we expect that we will complete some work before 7 p.m. tomorrow, before my friend comes to my house only, if I feel that I would complete some work, so I can even say in future perfect. Okay, in what way? I will have completed. I will have completed my work. I will have completed my work by 7 p.m. tomorrow. By 7 p.m. So in this way, to show you the difference among these three structures, just I have drawn this chart here for you. Okay, this is before present something happened, or before some action present action something happened, we have to use present perfect. And before some past time or before some past action, some other action took place means past perfect. and if we expect something will happen before some future time or future some action, we can use a future perfect. Okay, so now we are talking about a past perfect tense, subject plus had plus v3. So by this we can understand that before some time or action something happened means past perfect we had to use. Okay, I had completed my work before my friend came to my house. In such a way, now I want to give some more examples for this past perfect. Okay, I think it is clear for you. Okay, right. Our teacher had entered the class before I reach there. Okay, now once again I will explain what the past perfect is. Okay, all right, we are talking about past perfect now. We use this structure to talk about something happened before some time in the past. Before some time in the past, what happened? Okay, I had reached my school by 9 a.m. Yes, by 9 a.m. yesterday. Yesterday 9 a.m. We are taking some past time. But before that 9 a.m. only, I did some work to show that I had reached my school by 9 a.m. yesterday. So in this way, I am using here some time in the past, and sometimes I can use before some action in the past also. Our teacher had entered the classroom or class. Our teacher had entered the class before I reached there. Before I reached there. I reached means I reached is talking about past only. Okay, this action took place in the past, but before this action took place only some other action had happened. So before I reach there only some other thing happened. What's that some other thing? Our teacher had, V3 is entered. Our teacher had entered the classroom or class before I reached there. So before some action also in the past, we can use this past perfect. And now when I went to railway station, so going to railway station happened in the past, but before that only, before that action only, some other action took place. What's that? The train had already departed. Okay, the train subject had departed is the third V3 form. Okay, the train had already departed. As for this, before some action, okay, something happened, and for that we use past perfect. Before I reached the theater, the movie had started. Okay, the movie had started before I reached the theater. Reaching the theater happened in the past, but before that only some other action took place, that is the movie had started. The movie subject had started. In this way we use past perfect for something which happened before some time in the past or before some action in the past. Thank you for watching this channel. We'll meet in the next episode.